So also we discussed a number of combinations of n different objects taken r at time is NCR. We represent this is NPR by r factorial. NPR by r factorial. That is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, all right. So, but this is we discussed that number of combinations of n different objects taken r at time, or number of selections of n different objects taken r at time, or this is number of subsets of a set containing n elements taken r at time. In the number of subsets containing r elements of a subset of a set containing n elements. n elements ఉన్నటువంటి సెట్ కి r elements ఉన్న subsets ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? That's also NCR only. And also yesterday I told you that number of ways of dividing n different objects into two groups containing r elements and n minus containing r objects in one group and n minus r objects in another group is also NCR. Okay, this is number of ways of dividing n different objects into two groups such that one group contains r objects, another group contains n minus r objects. Okay, so in one group if you select r objects, automatically second group with n minus r objects will be formed. So number of ways of dividing into two groups containing r elements is NCR. So but this one we wrote n, we wrote wantedly p plus q, r we have taken as p, and automatically n minus r becomes q. So number of ways of dividing p plus q different objects into two groups containing p objects in one group, q objects in another group is p plus q whole factorial by p factorial into q factorial. But whereas here, if at all, here p is obviously not equal to q. Okay, if at all p and q are same, equal, then that is two and different objects we are dividing into two equal groups. So equal groups means what? Equal number of objects, group containing equal number of objects. So this we discussed is 2n whole factorial by n factorial into n factorial into 2 factorial will come extra. Why this 2 factorial comes extra? Because the size of the group size is same. When group size is same, what happens? Then even if you interchange in 2 factorial ways, you will get only one way. For each 2 factorial ways, you get only one way. Okay, that is second thing we discussed. And third thing we discussed is if at all p plus q plus r different objects we are dividing into three groups which are unequal. So is p plus q plus r whole factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial. Okay, here very clearly p and q and r are different, right? So but if at all p, q, r are equal, that is three and different objects we are dividing into three equal groups. In each group n objects are there in each group, then this will become 3n whole factorial by n factorial, n factorial, n factorial into 3 factorial will come extra. Why? By 3 factorial, because here equal size is equal, therefore you can, even if you change 3 factorial ways, you can change. That means 3 factorial ways, if you change also, you'll get only one way. For each 3 factorial, you are getting only one way. So total ways becomes what? 3n whole factorial by this total ways divided by 3 factorial. For this again, by 3 factorial will come. So this we can write 3n whole factorial by n factorial whole cube into 3 factorial. I told you yesterday, you have to check this, why it is happening. I told you yesterday, you have to check. Okay, this is dividing into groups, right? So, but also we can, we also discussed that here only 3 groups. If let's say you have to divide into n groups, so containing p1 objects in one group, p2 objects in another group, so on up to pn objects in nth group. Okay, like this p1, p2, so on up to pn. So this is a p1 plus p2 plus so on up to pn whole factorial by p1 factorial, p2 factorial, p3 factorial, so on up to pn factorial, like this. Okay, 3 groups, 2 groups, you understood, 3 groups, n groups also you can understand. But if at all we discuss this, m equal groups, okay, m equal groups, n different objects, yes, 3n. So m equal 3 equal groups, 3n, m equal groups, mn. So here n objects in each group, n objects in each group. So is what will happen 3m, like 3n, similarly here 3n is there, here mn whole factorial. M groups na, m equal groups na mn. 3 equal groups, 3n whole factorial. M equal groups, mn whole factorial by here n factorial, m times na n factorial into n factorial whole to the power of n. Into m factorial ways. For each m factorial ways, you get only one way. So therefore, total ways is whole divided by m factorial. You get this one. So generalization we discussed. This is about dividing into two groups, which may be equal, which may be unequal groups. So this is what we discussed. But also I mentioned very important point. That's first point. And okay, let's say this is the first thing. So first point here. Okay, this comes from directly combinations, right? This comes from directly combinations. This comes directly from combinations. Okay, directly NCR formula only, right? So, but now I told you here something different. I told you that here in this case, let's take again P plus Q different objects. I have to distribute to two people. So I told you yesterday, I have 10 different objects I have. 10 different objects. And 10 different objects ఉన్నాయి అన్నమాట 10 different gifts ఉన్నాయి నా దగ్గర పెన్ ఒకటి పెన్సిల్ ఒకటి రబ్బర్ ఒకటి ఏదో ఒకటి 10 different objects I have to distribute to two students, okay, so that one student gets 4 objects, another student gets 6 objects. ఎవడా స్టూడెంట్ ఫస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ సెకండ్ ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ కి నేను 10 different objects I have to distribute, okay, 10 different objects ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి, so that one will get 4 and another will get 6, okay. So here two cases. Here what I am saying is 10 different objects I have to distribute to 2 students, so that one will get 6, another will get 4. So antikada which student I did not tell. Okay, Ravi and Ramesh. I am distributing to Ravi and Ramesh. Okay, so who should get 4 and who should get 6? I did not tell you that. So I have to just distribute 10 different objects to 2 students, so that first will get, one student will get 4 and another student will get 6. So that is however you want you can distribute. So that is first divide into 2 groups, that is 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. And then you have to distribute to 2 people. How many ways you can distribute? So first 4 if you give, 4 you can give either Ravi or Ramesh, 2 ways. And then remaining 6 you can give to remaining person. That's one way, that is 2 factorial ways. Understand this one. So here P plus Q different objects I am distributing to 2 people, so that one person will get P and another person will get Q. Understand this one. So which person, I did not tell you that. Okay, if I tell you which person gets P and which person gets Q, that's different. Here you have to distribute to 2 people with no condition. So that is P plus Q whole factorial by P factorial Q factorial into 2 factorial. That is 2 factorials you are distributing. Okay, this is one thing. But whereas if I mention here condition, what is the condition here? P plus Q different objects you have to distribute to 2 persons, so that person 1 gets P objects and person 2 gets Q objects. So here this is Ravi has to get, Ravi has to receive 4 objects, and Ramesh has to receive 6 objects. Here now I am mentioning. So that means what here? P plus Q whole factorial by P factorial Q factorial into 2 factorial undadu. Here, so only here dividing into 2 groups, right? So here also 10 factor. That means what? Simply 10C4. You are selecting any 4 you can select. Any 4 different objects you select and give to Ravi 4 objects. Then remaining 6 objects will go to Ramesh, only one way. So therefore this is 10C4 ways. Here also similarly like that. So therefore I am telling very clearly distinction. I am telling very clear difference between these two. That's why here in permutations and combinations, first thing you should understand is question very clearly. You have to read the question and you have to understand the question. Then you can answer properly. because minute details will be there, small minute details will be there that you should understand properly. Okay, now let's take people are different objects, are different. I'm mentioning always different. That means what? If same objects also there and some same and some different is there, all those cases will be there. That's the reason I'm telling you all this. Okay, now I have to distribute to 3 people any way you want. Okay, so that one person gets P, another person gets Q, another person gets R. ఓకే ముగ్గురికి పంచాలి, ముగ్గురికి పంచాలి. ఎట్లా పంచాలి? సో దట్ ఒక పర్సన్ కి P ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వచ్చే విధంగా, ఇంకో పర్సన్ Q ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇంకో పర్సన్ కి R ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వచ్చే విధంగా పంచాలి. సో హౌ డు యూ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్? ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పలే ఎవరికి రావాలి, చెప్పలే ముగ్గురు పర్సన్స్ కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి. నీ ఇష్టం ఉన్నట్టు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కానీ ఒకటికి మాత్రం P రావాలి, ఇంకోటికి Q, ఇంకోటికి R ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ రావాలి. ఇట్లా అనమాట. 20 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి నా దగ్గర, ఒకరికి 10 రావాలి, ముగ్గురు స్టూడెంట్స్ కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఎట్లా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి నీ ఇష్టం, కానీ ఒకటికి మాత్రం 10 రావాలి, ఇంకోటికి 7 రావాలి, ఇంకోటికి 3 రావాలి. ఈ విధంగా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఎన్ని వేస్ గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే ఫస్ట్ నేను 10 తీసుకొని ముగ్గురులో ఒకటికి ఇవ్వచ్చు, 3 వేస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. అదే ముగ్గురులో ఏదో ఒకటి, ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ థర్డ్ 3 వేస్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెన్ని ఉన్నాయి నా దగ్గర? 10 ఉన్నాయి. అప్పుడు అందులో 7 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా ఇద్దరిలో ఎవరికో ఒకటికి ఇవ్వాలి 2 వేస్. ఇంకా తర్వాత ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 3C3 ఉంటాయి, ఎవరికి ఇవ్వాలి? మిగిలిన ఒకటికి ఇచ్చేయాలి. ఇంతే సింపుల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ఇది మనం 10C ఇవన్నీ చేసినాం అనుకోండి, చేస్తే 1. ఇది మనం చేసి చూడండి, 20 factorial by 10 factorial into 10 factorial you get it. Okay, this 20C10 into 10C7 is 10 factorial by 10 minus this 7 factorial into 3 factorial. 3C3 is only 1 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 3 factorial. Here always this gets cancelled. Here this 10 and this 10 gets cancelled. This 3 gets cancelled. I'm sorry, this we need not do. Let's not cancel this one. So let's do this 20 factorial by 10 factorial, 7 factorial, 3 factorial, like this. So into 3 factorial. Okay, this is the actual thing. So this is dividing into 3 groups. Okay, 20 different objects I am dividing into 3 groups containing 10 objects in one group, 7 objects in another group, and 3 objects in another group. Now I divide, how many ways I can divide? 20 factorial by 10 factorial, 7 factorial, 3 factorial ways. Now I have to distribute. After dividing, I have to distribute to 3 people. How do I distribute 3 people? Anyway you can distribute. 3 objects anamata, 3 groups anamata. 3 groups, 3 people distribute cheyali. How many ways? 3 permutation, 3 groups, 3 people ki distribute cheyali. Okay, first group 3 ways, second group 2 ways, third group 1 way. That is 3 factorial ways. Similarly here also same situation. P plus Q plus R objects. How many ways you can divide? First of all you divide. This is by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial, and then distribute to 3 people into 3 factorial. But some cases they say P plus Q plus R different objects only, but you have to distribute to 3 persons, so that person 1 receives P objects, person 2 receives Q objects, person 3 receives R objects. Very clear it is. That means what? P plus Q plus R objects you have to divide into first 3 groups. How many ways you can do it? P plus this way. Then after that, this is not 3 factorial, won't be there. Why? Group 1 you should do this. You cannot distribute 3 ways. It's only 1 way. Person 1. P objects you are divided into 3 groups. First group P objects you have to give to person 1 only, 1 way only. Q objects you have to give to person 2 only, 1 way, and R objects you have to give to person 3 only, that is also 1 way. So therefore this is P plus Q plus R whole factorial by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial. That means here it's not the question of you by heart the formula. In the textbook no, they will give you one formula. Okay, understand? So if you by heart that formula na, then you can't understand anything. So you have to understand why it is happening, why it is distributed like this, and you have to take small example like I gave 4 and 6 small example, and you have to distribute and see how many ways you are doing. So then only you will get the clarity. Then big problems you can solve after getting solid foundation. Okay, this one I think you are clear. So they are different. No, PQ different, PQR different. This is different. P unequal sizes, your distribution. Okay, but here let's take now fifth one. Let's take here now equal sizes. Now 2n different objects are there. Now I have to distribute to 2 people so that each gets n objects. Okay, here also with no restriction. 2n different objects to 20 different objects I have to distribute to 2 persons so that each gets 10. Each gets 10. So already we have to divide into 2 groups. How many ways you can divide? 2n whole factorial by n factorial whole square into 2 factorial. Yesterday I told you this. Today also I revised. And now I have to distribute it. How many ways I can distribute? No. So that each gets n objects. First person gets n objects, second person also receives. So into 2 factorial you will get. Okay, this gets n whole factorial by n factorial whole square you get. What is your answer? Here also I am explaining again derivation, like derivation. Now out of objects, if I select 10 objects, please understand, I selected 10 objects and I gave to person 1. And automatically remaining 10 objects will go to person 2. So therefore over. So by divided by 2 won't be there. Divided by 2 factor won't be there directly. Divided by 2 factor won't be there because here person 1, person 2. So now let's say 4 objects are there. So that each gets 2, 2. If person gets 1, 2, person 2 gets 3, 4. And 2 factorials, you cannot say this is 2 factorials, you can interchange. No, you can't do that. Because person 3, 4, person 2 gets 1, 2. This is different. Okay, you can understand 2 ways. What is one way? Examples, I'm again telling you example. Now 4 different objects I have to distribute to 2 persons so that each gets 2 objects. Each receives 2 objects. 2 ways I have. One way is direct 4 factorial. Already you know 4 factorial by 2 factorial whole square into 2 factorial. This is division. Yeah, dividing in 2 groups. How many ways you can distribute? 2 factorial ways you can distribute to 2 persons. This way one. Another distributing. So out of 4 objects, you take 2 objects and give to person 1. Give to person 1. Automatically, how many objects will be there? Objects will be there. 2 more objects will get person 2. So that means person 1, how many ways you can give? 4C2 ways. Yeah, this is 4 different objects. Person 1, 4C2 ways you can give. That person 2 gets 2C2. Remaining objects automatically gets person. So that is 4C2 only. That's what I am telling here. So here, if person 1 gets 1, person 1 gets 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2, 3, 2, 4, like this. So here, this is when here 3, 4 comes, here 1, 2 comes. Division. In division, person 1 is there, person 2 is there. When persons are not there, you can interchange. Okay, only group is there, you can interchange. Person 1 person 1 received 1, 2, person 2 received 3, 4, which is different from person 1 received 3, 4, person 2 received 1, 2. Therefore, this 2 factorial won't be there, only 4C2. That is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial.